Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In today's video, we dive into the topic how to update RedNote app. First, open Google Play Store on your phone. Then tap on the search icon which is located at the bottom right corner. Now, type RedNote in the search bar and hit the search icon. Here, tap on the app's logo. Now you can see update information on this page. If an update is available, you would see an update button beside uninstall button. But if the app is up to date, then you will see open tab. You can also auto update in the future. To do so, tap the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on enable auto update. Now whenever an update is available, the app starts to update and install on its own. Easy, right? So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.